Ever wake up with dry skin, stuffy nose, or scratchy throat? That's your air begging for help. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the top 4 humidifiers for dry air that bring instant comfort and freshness. Stay tuned and check the links in the description below. The number 4 product on our list is Valuta Humidifier. The Valuta Humidifier brings a calm, refreshing balance to rooms that feel dry and lifeless. With its gentle mist flow, it revives your space, eases your breathing, and restores that soothing comfort your skin craves. Its 2L tank quietly runs for hours, creating consistent moisture that transforms harsh air into a pleasant breeze of relief. What truly stands out is its near-silent operation. Barely a whisper, yet deeply effective. Compared to similar models, it's simpler to clean, easier to refill, and more compact, making it ideal for bedrooms, desks, or small apartments. The adjustable mist control and 360 DG nozzle add a touch of personalization, letting you shape your comfort your way. It's smart, peaceful, and designed for people who value comfort over noise and dryness. Number 3 is Rose K Humidifier. The Rose K Humidifier feels like a refreshing sigh of relief for anyone tired of waking up with dry skin or a sore throat. Its fine mist instantly softens the air, turning harsh dryness into soothing comfort. With a 2L tank, it keeps the room hydrated for hours, perfect for late-night work sessions or deep sleep. The whisper-quiet 26 dB operation makes it almost invisible, yet you can feel its calming presence. Its 360-degree adjustable nozzle evenly spreads moisture, creating balance without leaving damp spots. Compared to others, this one stands out for its effortless one-cup control and sleek, compact design that fits beautifully on any desk. It's not just a humidifier, it's peace, clarity, and comfort packed into a small, powerful device that truly feels made for daily well-being. Number 2 is Dryo Humidifier. The Dryo Humidifier feels like a breath of relief for anyone battling stubborn dry air. From the first mist, it transforms your workspace or bedroom into a calm, balanced environment where breathing feels easier and the air finally feels alive again. Its 4L tank runs for over a day without refilling, while the dual intake design delivers a powerful yet soft mist that spreads evenly without damp spots. What truly sets it apart is its whisper-quiet performance. Barely 28 dB, perfect for long office hours or peaceful nights. The top-fill setup makes refilling effortless, and the sleek design blends perfectly with any modern desk setup. Compared to others in this range, Dryo offers smarter performance, cleaner mist, and real-world comfort that feels built for people who take wellness seriously. Now moving to the last one is Levoit Humidifier. The Levoit Humidifier is that quiet hero your room didn't know it needed until the air started feeling dry and heavy. Within minutes, it turns your space into a refreshing, breathable zone where your throat feels soothed and your skin stays calm even during long work sessions. With a 2.5L capacity, it runs through the night effortlessly. No refills, no interruptions, just smooth, cool mist that feels natural. The easy top-fill design saves you from messy spills, while its ultra-quiet 26 dB operation ensures peaceful focus or restful sleep. What sets it apart from others is its balance of power and simplicity. Compact, yet mighty. Perfect for those who value health, comfort, and elegance, this humidifier feels truly tested for real-world comfort and everyday peace of mind. Among all the winners is Rosex the Humidifier. It delivers consistent, whisper-quiet mist, ideal for restoring moisture balance and creating a calm, refreshing home environment. So guys, this was the video about the top 4 humidifier for dry air. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.